Hey guys, I don't have as much room, we're very zoomed in. Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I am going to be doing a flip through of my Thumbelina planner, and she is adorable. This is a itty bitty tiny little planner by Allie's Corner, and I'll go ahead and link her shop down below. Let me actually pull out a planner that I can compare this in size to that you guys may know. So I do have a B6 Lush here so you guys can see the size difference. So there is a B6, and then I will also pull out a Lush Pocket. So it is a very small planner. It's great for on the go to have in your purse. Great for little lists and things like that, and it's just so cute. And I mean, also it's just like adorable because it's an itty bitty teeny tiny little planner. So I did go ahead and set this up the other day. Actually, it was like a week ago, but I wanted to do a video because it's probably one of my most requested videos that I've ever had as far as like my Instagram messages. And I'm sorry my nails are a little bit grown out. I feel like this is probably like the worst video to be filming whenever my nails need to get done. But let's go ahead and flip through. This is her Millennial Pink, and she does have a couple of different colors. I think she has like 5 different colors as of right now, but everything's really high quality. Her leather is actual real leather that smells like leather. It's like really like good stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flip through this little guy and tell you kind of about what I have in here, what I made for it. It was really fun to set up just because of how small everything was. So the first thing in here I do have is a pocket. I did go ahead and cut down a Target, I think this was a Target dollar spot pocket or something similar, to just make a little side pocket for this planner. And I did put one of my mini bows on it, so it does have like a little mini metal shine on there. Then I do have a die cut from the Millennial Pink die cut pack that Jessica did as her contribution. As she contributed, it's still early in the morning, guys. I've been up since 5. She contributed to the swag, so I went ahead and put that in just because it was one of my very few die cuts that did actually fit in here. And like I said, very small. And then I do have this, which I made out of some foiled stickers. These are the miniest bows on the bow foiled sheet, and I just made a little bookmark. But I probably should have made it one taller, so I ended up just kind of using it as like a little extra die cut for the side there. Over here I do have papers. All these papers are from the swag bag, and I just thought all of the like pinks went together really well. And I did go ahead and make little dashboards out of one pocket dashboard that I had left over. So maybe I'll do like a full setup if I do another setup, and I feel like this would be great to like do a setup with like extras that you have from like bigger setups like your B6 or something like that, or even like a pocket. So what I did with this is I took a pocket insert. I know Allie's done it with Target dollar spot pockets, but I kind of wanted the same feel as a like Foxy Fix dashboard. That's what I'm looking for. So I went ahead and just cut that to size. So the pocket is pretty much the same size. Like let me pull out a pocket. Here we go. This is a pocket dashboard. So what I did was I went ahead and took the inserts, which I used Jasenia's inserts, which she does have on her website, which I'll link down below as well. And I just went ahead and cut those out, and then I measured the pocket, and you can see it's pretty much the right size. So what I did was I just cut here, and then I just taped the edge, which I just feel like worked out really well. The other thing, the tip that I would have as far as like taping it so it doesn't look like super janky, is just taping, like not using all of the tape. I just taped it, you can barely see it, like right there. So when it goes like from there to there, so it's maybe like half the width of a tape. It's a little bit hard to explain, but this is my first little dashboard, so I just kept the paper like one full sheet just because I thought it was easier. I did a gold doily. I did a little Simply Watercolor Co. Or no, wait. This is a, maybe a Sticky Committee bow. And then I had another one of Jessica's die cuts there. A little Always die cut from Once More with Love that's foiled. And then this little Besties die cut from Wonton and a Million that is also, was from like her Besties box or something. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back on here. I then made a washi acetate, which I've seen a lot of like washi dashboards, but I just wanted to do a washi acetate. So I just took a piece of acetate, cut it down to the size, and then did different Simply Gilded washi tape. So I just did the white and champagne, and then the pink and champagne, and the different widths, and I think it turned out really cute. Then I have my little daily insert in here, which is so cute. It's from Jasenia. And then I did make one of these bookmarks, which I thought was so funny and so cute. And this has a little Fox and Pip sticker. I don't think she's released these yet, the foiled stickers, but it reminded me so much of her little like header stickers that she sells that are like big. So I went ahead and put that on a piece of acetate and then made like a mock mini bookmark of like what she sells. And isn't that adorable? So I thought that was so cute. That was probably my favorite thing in here, is that I just think it was so cute. And like I said, I did do all of my inserts from Jasenia, and they're all on one page too, which is nice. So there's that. And then my second insert is a daily, or no, it's a list. So it's the list here. On the front, I do have 2 of those bows again, another die cut. This one was for my part of the swag. And then I do have a marble vellum here. This was also in the swag. And then I did do just 2 foiled corners on here. I was inspired by Patty from Planning Fancy. She did like little photo corners in her last setup that was like a princess tan. And I was like, oh, I could do little photo corners for my foiled photo corners. I thought that turned out really cute. And then, like I said, I have the list insert. And then I have one of my metal bows. I did have, I think... Did I have these in anything yet? Actually, I don't think I've released these yet. Did I? Let me know in the comments down below. Did I release these? I'm not sure. But these are so cute, and they fit, honestly, like, perfectly. It is a bow paper clip, and it is in gold. I can't remember if I feel like I put this in something, but I cannot remember for the life of me. Because I remember showing how to put it on, but I don't remember why. Because I don't think it was my fall tan kit. Was it the one before that? I don't know. I'll have to ask somebody. And then on the back, I do have the same acetate or vellum, and then I have the photo corners. And then on the back of the dashboard, I do have another die cut, and that's from, again, Jessica's digitals, which all of her digitals, like the millennial pink ones, this one, and this one, and more, can be found on her shop, which I'll link down below as well. Then I did the same thing as I did in the front and did another little pocket. You could just cut a Target dollar spot almost in half and just stick it on there. And then I did another little foiled bow, which kind of mimics like the metal bow. And then I just took one of my marble washi cards, which are in my shop, and cut it down, rounded the corners, and made a mini washi card, which I thought was so dang cute, and put some Simply Gilded and then just some regular Hobby Lobby washi tapes on there. I love this planner. I think it's so cute. Oh, and then on the bottom, because I probably get a lot of questions about this, this is a, I think she calls them tails. This is a tail from Studio Signet, and Studio Signet, I don't know, somebody let me know about that too. But she sent me this because I hadn't ordered any, and she was just like, you should try this out. And I love the little jingle bells. And what I did was I just untied this part, because obviously I'm not going to be able to untie this. I untied this and then shortened it so that it like snugly fit down here. Otherwise it would have hung down till about here, which would have been fine, but I think it looks like cuter and truer to size like that. I also was going to do like a charm on the front, which I do have a charm. Oh, I don't know where it is. I think that would look so cute to finish it off, but I don't know where to put it. Oh, here it is. So I did do planners with my, wait, is this not? Yes, I did do planners for my swag, and I got to pick like everything for these as far as like all the different materials and stuff. And I also got to pick the charm, and this little teeny tiny heart charm I thought would look perfect on the front. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on there. Oh, it finishes it off so beautifully. I kind of, in a real world situation where I wasn't feeling lazy, would unstrap this and then hook this on straight there, but she's so beautiful, cute, and little. And that's my Thumbelina walkthrough. I'm sorry if it's a little all over the place. Half of the words I don't even know what they mean anymore, so if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. But I'm going to try and link everyone that I talked about down below, because I think these are going to be the newest, cutest trend in the whole entire world, because they're just perfection. And even just setting it up and having it, I think it's just so cute to have on your desk like a little baby mini planner. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.